Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome back to my blog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. For today's blog, we're having lunch. We're having healthy lunch for today. Is Saturday, May 17 is lunchtime for me. So, for today's lunch is we're having hard-boiled egg right here, and we're having cantaloupe fruit. Cantaloupe is sweet, is gala leia cantaloupe from Mexico, is sweet. And we have blueberry waffle, organic blueberry waffle from Sprout. And we have a smush a smush. This is Hawaiian roll with butter crunch cookie from Sprout. So enjoy and God bless everyone. Let's eat, enjoy, and shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Mega love shout out to you all. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please don't forget to for the notification bell, hit all, and for more upgraded for the next vlog, and like and share, and have a good weekend everyone. God bless us all, and enjoy the rest of your day, and happy Saturday. Have a good weekend to you all, and please like and share, subscribe my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Like and share and subscribe, and more video for you guys to watch. So pull the notification bell, don't skip ad, and enjoy watching, and see you again soon. God bless you all, and love is in the air. Love, love, love everyone. Love you guys, and let's eat, and God bless. See you again soon for the next vlog. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Let's eat lunch and joy, and love you guys. See you again soon for the next vlog. Mega love shout out to all my silent viewers, silent subscribers, and to all the viewers, and to all of you guys. And see you again soon for the next vlog. Love you guys, and take care, and God bless you all. Have a good weekend everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you, and God bless you all. So healthy lunch, we having hard-boiled egg, healthy lunch, and of course the blueberry waffles, and a sweet galea uh, cantaloupe, and that's it for today's lunch. So enjoy and God bless. Of course, bottle of water as always, and thank you. I thank you for everything you do, guys, and thank you, and God bless you all. Thank you for your support, and uh, enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you, and see you again soon for the next vlog. So long, and have a good weekend, everyone. God bless.